Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So for today's video, I will be doing a pamper session at home. And this session will include everything from head to toe which will relax you. And without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first step will of course by starting up with a good head massage and try to apply oil day before you shampoo your hair.
Start by massaging your hair nicely before you apply the oil. So I'm just doing this right now. And then mix the oil. This is a DIY oil that I prepared at home. This oil is made with coconut oil and onion. If you want, I will make a proper video on that. Just tell me in the comment section below if you want this video or not. And then I am just sectioning my hair and applying the oil nicely on the scalp and repeat the step. Never comb your hair after the application of oil. Just make a bun and leave it overnight.
So it's the next day and today we will follow this session by starting up with a hair mask. But before that, change into an old t-shirt.
To prepare the hair mask, take 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey and mix the solution nicely. Now just apply it all over your hair from scalp to ends. And now just make a bun.
And after I am done with the application of hair mask, I will leave it for 30 to 40 minutes and meanwhile we will move on to the face.
To make the face pack, I am using grated cucumber and October heat is like killing, and this is the most refreshing face mask you can ever use. Make sure to freeze it before you apply this on your face. And now just take it on your face. This can look little weird, but trust me, it is going to help you. Now just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with a cold water.
And now we will move on to the body, and this step is very important that you should do at least twice a week, which is scrubbing.
To prepare the body scrub, here I am using castor sugar, coffee and mix it off and then add coconut oil. The consistency should look something like this. Before applying it on your body, make sure to water your hands or legs wherever you want to scrub off and then gently scrub your body. Make sure to wash your body with cool water after scrubbing.
And the final step is something for our feet. You will not need any fancy kit to do pedicure at home. You will just need some ingredients from your own kitchen.
In a tub of warm water, add Epsom salt, baking soda and half a lemon. Mix these 3 ingredients nicely on the water and dip your feet for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The lemon that we used on the tub, use that to scrub your toenails. And again leave your feet for at least 5 to 10 minutes. One hack that I wanted to share with you guys, that if you don't have a summer lotion, take the regular lotion. I took the Vaseline one and add aloe vera gel and then mix it off and apply it on your body. This will not grease your body and will feel you like the summer lotion. This is the best hack to use.
And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you found this video to be helpful. Everyone deserves a pamper session at home. And the main thing is everything that I used in this video are from own kitchen. So we not need anything from outside. This kind of session really relax us and prepare us for the week. Let me know how you like this session at home in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and families, and subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.